So before I was working with Kathi, I realized that our team was spending a lot of time and energy looking for things in different places. Because two of our three team members are remote, it is very important for us to be efficient and know where everything is. So after working with Kathi, she taught us to have digital files where we have a clear process, a check off agenda before we even the file on what exactly needs to be done. So it is not firm, it's very fluid. The more we use it, the more we can change the labels and things like that. But it has been so valuable to our agency and our team that I can't even put it into any more words. But it has made our team much more efficient. We know exactly where to find documents and client files. It has saved us not just time and energy, but definitely lots of money because we are more efficient and we're able to spend that time building relationship and doing other important things to bring more growth to our business. So after working with Kathi, we have definitely seen the immediate impact of creating clear processes and files.